Good morning, everybody. So today I'm going to be pulling this thing apart and doing a full restoration on it. I did try to save the antler handle, but it was so rusted on the inside the pin would not budge, and you'll see that a little bit later in the video. If you enjoy this sort of stuff, like restoring old tools, things like that, I would really appreciate it if you would consider following, liking, subscribing, all of that kind of fun stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you have an awesome day, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and one last thing. Let me know what you think of the transformation in the comments. I would really appreciate that. I always like hearing from you guys. Anyway, thank you so much. Have an awesome day. We'll see you next time.